Introducing chlorine-free high-pressure anion showerhead, the IRA Blackstone. It is our own revolutionary innovation and patented showerhead for skin and hair well-being. We export worldwide. IRA showerhead got a 2.0 GPM average flow rate from the water saving tests in Germany, Canada, and South Korea. The powerful water spray stream gives you a chlorine-free, high water pressure, and anion refreshing shower. It's also very easy to install. The IRA shower plate has the 412 micro-sized holes to generate high water pressure and more than 500,000 anions. The strong ionized water stream can effectively cleanse your body and clean your home. The antibacterial ceramic ball filter has a self-cleaning function. The reusable mesh filter removes rust and floaters. IRA Blackstone Showerhead is a great solution for time-saving, quick washing, or shower in the morning. It creates a powerful but soft water stream and a silky massaging effect. The cleaning power with small water clusters is effective enough to lift dust, oil, and contaminants off the surface. It is suitable for effectively cleaning the bathroom, kitchen sink strainer, and balcony. The antibacterial compound ceramic ball filter activates an ionic reaction to generate energized and ionized water. It lasts semi-permanently. The second mesh filter is reusable and removes harmful particles like rust and floaters. Just like anions from a waterfall, the shower plate generates over 500,000 anions so that you can enjoy a refreshing shower. Products for bathrooms and kitchen faucets are also available. It will give you a magical experience when taking a shower and washing your dishes, fruits, or vegetables. IRA Blackstone Vitamin Shower Heads.